Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Verbal Widget. I just thought I'd give you a quick update. There we go. Not sure how this is going to come out. Never done anything like this. But anyway, hopefully you can see that there is a vintage motorcycle in the back of my truck. I made kind of a mad dash over last night. I left about 10 o'clock, something like that, 10:30. Shot over by El Cajon, California. A guy had a 1975 Suzuki TM250. All original condition. Bad thing is it's a California bike, so there's a lot of rust on it. But you know, really that's kind of easy to deal with because I'm just going to drop the frame off at the powder coaters. Good thing about it is it's pretty much 100% stock. It's got a big old Don Vesco 3.5 gallon skinny fat tank on it, and it's got a skid plate, got the original pipe, silencer, probably standard bore. The guy gave me the original front number plate, and for those of you who restore these things, even with the mounts, it's not like finding a unicorn, but it's like finding a dead unicorn. He wrote gopher on there for some reason. Gave me a brand new chain with it. Nice. And I'm just reaching over while I'm looking. And a new unifilter. Nice. And something else here. New CDI box. And a new intake manifold. There it is. It's one of the expensive kind. It's not the original. So anyway, this thing sat on Craigslist for 2 weeks, a week and a half, 2 weeks. Dual Sport AZ, we kept talking about it, he was thinking about it, and then finally just pulled the trigger on it, and ran over and got it. He had talked the guy down to from $1,000 to $700. And I go, for $700, I'm on my way. So I haven't slept. Another hour or so, I will have been up 24 hours. But then I can go home and sleep up until I go to work tonight. So, but anyway, good find. Like I said, the frame needs powder coating. Don't really worry too much about that, because I just drop it off and I pick it up and it's all done. Motor, the guy said it runs, but the carburetor has issues. No big deal. Why the engine, or why the frame's at the powder coaters, I'm going to strip the black paint off the engine so I can repaint it. And I have a new set of crank bearings, and on these, the crank seal, you have to replace the crank seal on the right hand side, you have to split the cases. And so I'm going to go ahead and split the cases, put all new seals in it, new gaskets. I have gasket kits. I have brand new crank bearings. I have almost every part I need for this thing. I even have a cylinder off my old race bike, the old cylinder and head. Excuse me. But I bet you dollars to donuts, man, that's how old I am, that this thing's got a stock bore on it. Still has the oil injector hooked up, and I took a peek on the original side covers, and it has the air box, which most people would pull off, and then the other thing people would pull off and throw away, it's got the original air box lid, and it's got like two snorkels on it. And if you're a TM person, you know what that is. So just to have that is rare. So I would imagine this bike doesn't have a whole lot of time. So anyway, I just left El Centro. I'm gonna get something to eat, but I'm gonna wait and get on the Arizona side. I don't really like to give California a lot of my money, so it's like the evil empire. But once I get on the Arizona side, I'll have some breakfast, and I'm going to keep this thing moving. I was supposed to see a friend over in Santee, California, and I just told him next time, and I just want to keep going while I'm still awake. So, but hopefully you can see the bike in the mirror, and that's one of the cool things. You know, throughout my life, you know, I've had a lot of bikes in my mirror, and it's just kind of fun to go down the road. You know, you're going out riding, or you know you just did a big shag, you know, and got a big old chunk of gold in the back, you know, and it's one of the cool things is just to sit and look at it on the way back home, glance up and go, oh, okay, I'll do this. Yeah, I'm gonna put these kind of tires on it, and I need to get spokes, and you know, just to mentally go over stuff in your mind. It's just a lot of fun. So, like I said, I'm gonna go through this, restore it. At some point, at some point, you know, it'll get sold, you know, but I think for a year or so, I'm going to keep it just as kind of a garage thing to maybe have a beer and sit and look at it, you know, take it out riding a couple times. The 75 TM250 was my first race bike, and I have a picture. I'm going to do a better video, but I have a picture, and this one is almost identically set up because I used to do desert races online and flat track and motocross. It was like a do-all bike, you know, one bike does, you know, whatever I needed to do. I would just change the tires and pipe and tank. Anyway, I just doing a little update. I haven't done any videos. I was going to do a ride on my days off, which today is my second day off. A ride, I had it all planned out, and while I was at work on my Friday, I got like a stomach flu or stomach bug or something like that, so I sat in the house all day yesterday, and then this deal came up, and I was feeling good enough by then to take off and go get it. And then when I go home today, I'm just gonna go home and go to sleep. A couple of you guys I want to thank who have checked on me, make sure I was still breathing. But yeah, I have videos to edit. I just got to get some time to do it, because like I said, I was actually going to do a ride this week. So anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully this will come out. If not, we'll redo it. But like I said, I've never really done a live in the truck scene, so I'll talk to you guys later. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the button, and keep posted for this TM250 rebuild. You know, for you guys who are doing it, this is about the 4th or 5th one I've done, and I get them to where they look pretty close to new. This one won't be that close to new, but it will be pretty close. And I'm just gonna keep the big desert tank on it. I'm not gonna try and dig up a stock one. I like it the way it is. I like it the old desert sled looking way. So, but anyway, that's where I'm at right now. That's what I've been doing, and I will talk to you guys later. And you take care. Bye bye.